Welcome to my dedicated room tour of the stunning Hotel Xcaret Arte. Within the coming days, I'll have an in-depth video review of the entire property at Xcaret Arte. So let's jump right in and check out this amazing room. Welcome to my room, 2215 at Xcaret Arte. Let's go inside. This is it. This is probably the most YouTube-friendly hotel you've ever been to. A lot of creators like to come here to create content, but I'm gonna give you the most honest review you've ever seen. When you come, they give you some water. You have a coffee machine. They give you some coffee pods, and they're pretty generous. I'm happy about that. And you got a bunch of snacks over here. Some nuts, some candies, everything you need when you're, you got that late night craving. Over here, you got a nice table. It's enough to get some work done. You also have your phone here, which you could communicate with the personnel in this hotel fairly easily. This thing here really made me laugh. This is a pencil, but if you have a wild imagination, it kind of looks like something else. Maybe some wacky tobacco, I don't know. Here we have a couch. Around 8 p.m., the maid's gonna come in and set it up as a bed because I'm sharing this room with my friend who's holding the camera right behind over there. And he needs a place to sleep because yes, I have a king-size bed, but I'm pretty sure my wife and kids, they don't want me sharing it with my buddy. Come on, we need to do a test. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's cozy. It's a little on the soft side, but that's okay. Yep. Oh, the pillows are good.
Wake up!
Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's continue the tour. When I first got to this room, there was something I really liked about the bathroom. I appreciated the fact that the sink area, the shower area, and the toilet area were 3 distinct spots. So if you're traveling with somebody, you don't have to be in their way when you're doing your business. So the only thing I didn't like about this configuration of the bathroom was the toilet area. Because over here, you have a glass that's see-through. But here's a little magic trick you could do with this toilet area. Come and look. You see me, if I'm doing business, it's a little bit scary, but let's give ourselves a little bit of privacy. I'm just gonna hit this magic button right here. Woo! Ah, here's the button. So when it's grayed out like this, it means privacy. When it's glowing or the light is shining, it means your partner can see you. So this hotel room got that lofty feel, minus the kitchen. But you got double faucets here, so it's one vanity but double faucets. And over here they give you some soap, which we can have a look and see how it is. Ooh, green. Smells very nice. They also give you here some other stuff. So here we got shampoo, some cream, some mouthwash. Mouthwash is important because when you're eating a lot of food, you don't want to be stinky when you're talking to strangers. Tacos. Yeah, eating all those tacos. Oh, over here you have a little jacuzzi. I am right now 220 pounds and I'm 5'10". Let's see how much room this takes. Okay, so here we got let's see. Oh my God. It's a decent size. I can't stretch my leg out completely. I've been in jacuzzis that are a lot bigger, but it's fairly good. And then over here, what's it saying here? Flip up the mark. Look at that. Approximate time, 30 minutes. Okay, so if you run the jacuzzi, it'll run for about 30 minutes. And over here, they give you some bath salts. We got some bubble bath. I like this little detail here. They give you a comb, a toothbrush. How many times you travel and you forget your toothbrush? That's great. When I travel, a lot of times I don't bring shaving cream because it's not allowed in my carry-on. It's too big. So I end up just traveling and not shaving for about a week. But I got shaving cream here, so guess what? There's no excuses for me not to shave this entire trip. We got a blow dryer, which I don't need, But if my wife was here, she would need this. Here, they give you some little pantoufles that you can use. You got a safe, so I like that. It has a charger. Oh, you got a bathrobe. You got something here to prop up your suitcase, which is always useful. Huh, this is interesting. A beach bag. I believe this is a laundry bag. I feel a piece of paper here. You got an ironing board and an iron. Let's have a look at the shower. They got some rosemary mint conditioner, shampoo, some body wash. Here you got your telephone hose, the classic rain shower. And they gave you here 3 towels, very spacious. When you want to wind down at the end of the day in your room and you're a little bit thirsty, you want that drink. Let's see what they have in the fridge. All right, we got some orange juice, which is cool. You got some water here. I'm not sure if this is flat or bubbly water. You got your Coronas. You got, oh, look at this Coke. This is freaking cool. Marvel style Coca-Cola. Sometimes you go to hotel rooms and they provide you some hard liquor. There's wine or there's even sparkling wine. Not at this place. So hopefully the drinks at the bar make up for the lack of booze in the room. I like the position of the TV here. It's a decent size. You could watch the TV from the couch or the king size bed. That's great. Let's see what we have on the menu here. Oh, I like this. It's not a no-name brand TV. It's a Samsung. Hold on, let's see if we have to log in for Netflix. Oh, it's already logged in. You got Netflix. Actually, this is the first time I've ever been to a hotel where you don't have to log in with your own account into Netflix. So this is pretty cool. Disney, for Disney you need to log in. Our room is right over here. This room was an upgrade. We were originally in a lower end room. When I checked in, the receptionist offered me this room. He said it was an upgrade. Now the reason I took the upgrade, he said it was given to me at a discount. It was an extra $280 a night with a 20% discount, and I'll give you the final totals on the screen up here. And by taking this deal, I had access to other hotels. So I want something to be very clear. If you take the most basic booking in this hotel, you're not allowed to visit the other hotels for free. You don't have permission to go to the other restaurants. But by taking this upgrade, we're allowed to visit the other hotels. I don't know if I have enough time to visit the properties at the other hotels. We'll see. It's all about time. Come, let's continue on. Our room's considered a riverside room. We do not have a direct view of the ocean. I'm looking through the shrubbery here and I could see the water all the way down there, but it's not an oceanside view. But this I love. I can maneuver myself a little bit better. If you want to lock the door, normally you turn it this way and the lock goes down and goes into the hatch over here. But unfortunately, with our door, I'm gonna lock it. You would think it would lock properly. I pull the door, it's not locking properly. So, little attention to detail. You know there were issues with the sliding door, doesn't lock properly. Now here, look at this. As you can see, the lights work. And over here, there's nothing to pull. That's because this also broke off. And I didn't pull it very hard. If you don't pay attention when you're flushing, if I pull down the handle like that, it gets stuck and the water keeps running. I gotta flick it back up. It's the little things that are important to this old man. Speaking of little details, last night they gave me this cute little basket with some dessert. And over here today, they gave me another little basket, which seems like they gave a bunch of little cookies. A nice little touch. And hey, if you're excited as I am to explore Hotel Xcaret Arte in its entirety and Xcaret Explore Park, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see a full review.